For years, if you told someone you shot professionally on an APS-C crop sensor camera, they'd look at you like you were using a backup toy. Full frame was king, and crop sensors were for beginners. Well, Canon is about to flip that hierarchy completely on its head. The rumors surrounding the new Canon EOS R7 Mark II aren't just teasing a minor refresh, they are pointing to an absolute beast of a hybrid flagship trapped in a crop body. Let's break down why this camera is changing everything. Now, stacked is the magic word here. By layering memory directly onto the sensor, data reads out at lightning speeds. Why does that matter to you? 2 words: rolling shutter. Or rather, the death of it. If you've ever shot an electronic shutter and watched a golf club bend like a noodle, you know the pain. This new architecture means near distortion-free shooting, even when tracking a falcon diving at 200 miles an hour. To handle that massive mountain of 40-megapixel data, Canon isn't just relying on their standard Digic X chip. Leaks suggest a dual-processor system featuring a brand-new AI accelerator chip. We aren't just talking about tracking eyes anymore. This camera is designed to predict human behavior, recognizing specific players in a chaotic sports environment and holding focus even if they vanish behind a referee for a split second. Combine that brain with an insane 40 frames per second burst rate, and you aren't just taking photos anymore. You are essentially shooting high-resolution, raw video where every single frame is a perfect still. Speaking of video, this isn't just a wildlife shooter's dream. An APS-C sensor perfectly matches the industry-standard Super 35 cinema format. And with 40 megapixels on tap, the R7 Mark II is expected to unlock 8K video. Even if you only output in 4K, that 8K canvas lets you crop, reframe, and stabilize your footage in post-production without losing a single pixel of crispness. To handle all this data, look for upgraded storage. Rumors point to a hybrid setup featuring one blazing fast CFexpress Type B slot alongside an SD slot. If these specs hold true, the R7 Mark II isn't just a secondary tool, it's a shot across the bow to the entire industry. It proves that flagships don't have to be full frame. What do you think? Is this your next wildlife or video rig? Drop a comment below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.